You want to build your personal brand. More traction, more resonance, and more people actually knowing what you're about. But how do you even do that? And more importantly, what defines good content? Good content isn't louder content. However, right now, your feed is full of people just making noise. They're shouting into the void and quietly wondering why none of it translates into authority or sales. We hear thousands of sounds every single day and forget almost all of them. But then you hear it, a melody, beat, a voice, and suddenly you're not just hearing it, you're feeling it. Good content turns noise into music. Think about it. Why does most content get filtered out while a few select pieces stick to your soul for years? It's because great music isn't random sound. It has character, rhythm. It carries the weight of a story. It pulls something up, a memory, an emotion, a sense of recognition that you didn't even know you were missing. And it builds the bridge of trust before a single word is even processed. See, the truth is, you aren't looking for a posting schedule, some algorithm hacks, or a flashy editor. You're looking for a way to translate your nuance, your conviction, and your vision into a strategic asset. So if you really want to be more than noise in the form of a notification that just gets swiped away, you have to stop trying to be loud and start being impossible to ignore. But I could not do this alone. Let me introduce you to the team.
A lot of personal brands try to create content themselves. They want to create their own feeling and succeed in doing so up to a certain point. Scripting, filming, editing, it can be hard to do everything yourself and really time consuming. At some point you will have to reach out for help, to skill and at the same time be able to breathe through the day. But now the question is, who do you trust to help you be you?
The danger of outsourcing is being way too polished, to the point that you don't even recognize your own content. You need to stay true to your authentic self, because that's the only thing AI can provide.
To make it all work, we look at your personality and how this will fit within existing proven strategies. Thumbnails, hooks, stuff that already works well with a wide audience, but also resonates with your target audience. This means that we expand your ideas, amplifying your message with even the small differences in the way how you talk, but also how you interact with your viewers.
It's about maintaining your true soul within the whole package. People want to hang out with someone with overlapping interests. This may feel weird to hear, but you really create a bond with your viewers. They're subscribing to a perspective, yours. Stop trying to be a library of information and start being the person they want to grab a drink with.
It's only like this that your personal brand can thrive in the online landscape of today. So, if you're up for it, my team is ready. Let's start creating.